Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can donate your favorite Twitch streamers. Let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open twitch.tv on any of your browser and you can see any streamers streaming. Let's go ahead and click on this profile over here. So if the streamer has correctly kept his or her profile, if you go to their profile, scroll a bit down and you can see something like donate. So this is one example. Let's go ahead and open another stream. So I'm going to open this stream over here. And if you go to their profile, scroll a bit down, you can see that the donate option is not there. So let's check on another profile. So you can see donate option over here. So these are two different donation links of two different users or streamers. So you can see you can tip the username over here, then you can select your donation, how much you want to donate. So you can write down your message over here as well, and it will be displayed on the individual stream. So you can customize your donation over here as well. You can see that you can click all of these and click donate. Now you can click on credit card. So you can see that now you need to connect your credit card to your Streamlabs. Go ahead and log into your Streamlabs, connect to your credit card, and you can easily make the donation. So you can see that this option is over here as well. Write down your username over here, select the amount of donation you want to make, click on one time or monthly if you want, write down your message like hey or something. And you can also click on the YouTube video URL. You can write it down over here and click your start time as well. And if you scroll a bit down, you can see customize your donations. You can enable your personal GIFs if you want to so as well, and click on donate. After click on donate, you can click on agree and click donate with PayPal. So there are different streamers use different types of donations. So you can click on this and log into your PayPal account and donate to your favorite Twitch streamers via these types of things. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.